Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lynz Craft Designs. I'm coming by real quick with a demo for PandaHall Selected. I've got this ring dish mold, and a dish. I've got two, swear to goodness, I don't know how much resin it is. I'm gonna say, I just don't know. Maybe 4 ounces in each cup. This one has 3 little spoonfuls of the copper, and this one has 2 squirts of the Sigwong lime green alcohol ink. I'm gonna attempt to pour copper around the outside edge, and then also in the bottom of the ring dish splash. So let's see what happens. I'll give this a quick stir up. Now these are in these little silicone cups, which I can squeeze or whatever I need to do. Right. Well, that really wasn't very successful, was it? Okay, then I'm going to pour some of the green. Slowly it levels itself out. Alright. I've got my glass underneath so that I can pick this up and move it to the curing station. I'll juggle everything around. Alright. Now there's just no way to pour that around the edge, but let that settle just a little bit. Kind of do the burping little trick on the tips. Okay. There we go. I don't want to set my stick down. Okay. Just bring it out. Okay, and then I'll finish this off with the last of the copper. Okay. Loosen the mold a little bit. Now these actually may still be a little bendy, but I'm gonna risk it. It is so sparkly. Okay, hold on. Yeah, holding it up to the light, you can still see the lime green behind it. So I'm assuming if you had it on the right surface color, yeah, you get a little bit more contrast and you could see that veining a little bit better. So pretty. Alright, there's half. Now this one does have quite a bit more of the lime green. So I'm kind of excited about that. Alright, now this one, this is just 91% alcohol in a little mister bottle. Now, alcohol does have the effect of eating away at resin. So, it's great for cleaning up resin. Before it's cured, sorry. But it's a great help for a mold release as long as you wipe it off right away. Oh my. This one is always a difficult one to demold. Okay. So cute. I love that lime green color. That is so pretty. There it is. So cute. That is really pretty. An unusual color combination, but really, I like it. Alright. There is, I believe, the final demo for PandaHall Selected. Man, these have been so fun. I am really enjoying playing around with this. Still keep a lookout for my polymer clay videos. I took a hiatus from polymer clay because this pandemic has been very hard on us crafters. A lot of the people who were forced out of work started to look for something else to do to make money, and a lot of them turned to polymer clay, and the earring industry especially. Now, I don't do earrings necessarily, but it has so saturated the market that you just almost can't sell anything. You just... So, that's why I haven't been doing the polymer clay videos near as much, but I will get back to them. The same thing goes for resin. It has been uber popular these last year and a half or so, 2 years. Started out with tumblers, and then it just really went viral. It's all over the place. But that market too has become nearly completely saturated. So you've got to go really above and beyond your basics. Sorry. These are these little, I don't know what you call them, stones, gemstone, from this little, I'm not sure, crystal mold, whatever it is. I've done them in, these are like they're UV resin, first of all. And I swirled just a little bit of black mica. Not enough to interfere with them curing. These are 2-part resin, so I didn't have to worry about that. Okay, and I've also done them in clear. There's so many possibilities. Alright, so I'll leave the links to everything below. I'll leave the links to everything below. Thank you so much to PandaHall Selected. Bye for now.